Hi, so you're looking for a place to stay at Coventry University? I'm here to help you with that important decision. We have over 1,800 rooms across 3 city centre locations. Everything is within walking distance to campus. So you can roll out of bed and into your lectures in no time. It's all about that home away from home vibe, and you get total peace of mind with all-inclusive bills. That's your heating, water and super fast Wi-Fi all sorted.
Check it out.
Safety is a priority here, with 24/7 security and accessibility in every location. Plus, we've got the essentials like bike storage and on-site laundry. When you need to get your head down, there are dedicated study spaces. And when you're done, head to social areas or events to meet someone new. Now, let's look at the rooms. We have options to suit everyone. If you love cooking with your friends, you can grab an en-suite room with a shared kitchen space. Or pick a studio if you prefer your own space. We even offer twin studios and adaptable rooms, so there's a perfect fit for whatever you need. With flexible contracts for both undergrads and postgrads, it really is the easiest way to start your university journey. So that's it! Head over to our website to find your perfect home away from home. See you around campus.